Hi everybody, I'm Leslie Stanford.
And I'm John Tartle.
We're absolutely thrilled to be here to talk to you about the best marketing plan in the industry, the Herbalife Marketing Plan. Today, John and I are going to explain to you how it works and how it can work for you. In this video, we're going to give you a general overview of the marketing plan and show you how quite literally it can change your life. And we'll also try to answer some of the most common questions that people ask about the plan.
That's right. Now, both of us as independent distributors have benefited tremendously from the Herbalife Marketing Plan. And we're really excited to invite you into the Herbalife business. But first, it's important that you get to know a bit more about the company. So let's take a look at what makes Herbalife simply the best.
In 1980, Mark Hughes founded Herbalife, selling products out of the trunk of his car, and devoted his life to making the dream of Herbalife come true. Thanks to millions of people using the products around the world, Herbalife is now a global company publicly traded on the New York Stock Exchange, operating in over 75 countries around the world. We're simply stronger than ever. For more than 30 years, Herbalife has been a pioneer, leading the way in great nutrition, beginning with Mark Hughes' introduction of the Formula One nutritional shake in 1980, and continuing to lead by adding great new science-based products. Herbalife is committed to providing the best quality nutrition products to its independent distributors and their customers. Quality is the foundation of the Herbalife mission for nutrition, and the company has adopted the highest standards to ensure the quality and benefit of Herbalife products. Herbalife has invested millions of dollars in the Seed to Feed initiative to guarantee the very best science, the highest quality products, and complete confidence in the manufacturing and supply chain. Herbalife sponsors more than 150 professional athletes and teams who reflect Herbalife's commitment to excellence, health, and active lifestyle, and helps them to excel at an elite level. For these athletes, high-performance nutrition is a necessity, and Herbalife is proud to be a part of their success. Herbalife also actively sponsors, supports, and participates in a wide range of sporting events around the world and takes pride in contributing to events that promote health and fitness. Herbalife is proud to support the Herbalife Family Foundation and its CASA Herbalife program, which improves nutrition for children at risk by providing funding to charitable organizations around the world. Mark Hughes began this important work in 1994. Herbalife also supports disaster relief efforts around the globe by raising funds to reconstruct damaged areas of communities and to help evacuate survivors. At Herbalife, success is built on great products, and all of its products are based on proven science. Herbalife is dedicated to developing innovative, effective products by using the highest research, development, and manufacturing standards. Herbalife's weight management, targeted nutrition, energy and fitness, and personal care products are developed by a scientific leadership team who work with an expert staff of Herbalife scientists and chemists to develop innovative, beneficial products that are based on the latest nutritional research. And it conducts clinical studies with major universities around the world in order to benchmark the benefits of various products. Herbalife is committed to changing people's lives by providing the best business opportunity in direct selling and the best nutrition and weight management products in the world.
Wow, John. You know, I've been in this business for 30 years, and it's amazing how far we've come.
Sure is, Les. And now more than ever, it's really a great time to be an Herbalife independent distributor. So I'm sure our viewers are wondering exactly how they too can become an Herbalife independent distributor. Well, this is how it works. To become an Herbalife independent distributor, you need to purchase an international business pack from a distributor who will then become your sponsor. Then you'll need to review the contents of the business pack and fill out the distributor application. Now this is really important because until Herbalife receives and accepts your completed distributor application, the company doesn't know who you are or who your sponsor is. And Herbalife doesn't know who to pay based on the business that you do. So, when you become eligible, it's really important that your application is received by Herbalife and entered into the computer. And in some countries, you can even sign up very easily online. Once the company processes your application, that's when you become an official independent distributor and you're on your way.
That's right. And once you're a distributor, you immediately get a 25% discount on Herbalife products, and you can begin to earn money right away on your retail sales. Then, as you do more business, you can move up the discount scale. This progress is measured in Herbalife currency, which we call volume points. Now, let's show you how this works. By purchasing 500 volume points worth of products in 1 month, you are eligible to move up to the second level in the marketing plan called Senior Consultant, which starts at a 35% discount. And you can get a 42% discount for the remainder of the month in which the order was placed by placing a one-time Success Builder order worth 1,000 volume points. You can also qualify for the next level in the marketing plan, the Qualified Producer, or the QP level, which gives you a 42% discount for an entire year, plus additional ways to earn money by opening the door to wholesale profits, which you can earn on the distributors you recruit and retain if they place orders directly with Herbalife. If you reach the supervisor level and the team levels above this, you will have additional earning opportunities. A supervisor qualifies to earn in up to 6 different areas that may include a 50% retail profit, between 8 and 25% wholesale profit, up to 5% royalty overrides on the first 3 levels of active supervisors in your downline, and a monthly production bonus once you reach the Top Achievers Business Status, or TAB team. There is also the annual Mark Hughes bonus, as well as opportunities to qualify and be eligible for Herbalife's exclusive promotions and vacations. The higher you move up the marketing plan, the greater your earning potential. The Herbalife marketing plan is really designed to let you work at your own pace. So let's discuss the 3 ways to qualify for the supervisor level. You can qualify in whatever time fits your lifestyle and circumstances. Depending on how much time and effort you dedicate to your business, you could qualify in 1 month, 2 months, or in a 3 to 12-month period. Isn't that great?
That's right. And how much you earn with Herbalife is up to you. The volume from every sale counts towards qualifying to the next level in the marketing plan. Now, you can do the business part-time to supplement your existing income, or full-time to earn more. Once you're in the computer system, you can move up the marketing plan on the basis of your sales and your downline sales. The plan is designed to reward you for your performance and help you along the way. Now, as you sponsor and mentor new independent distributors and help develop them into supervisors with retail customers and downline distributors of their own, your organization grows and you can qualify to earn royalty overrides. If your royalty overrides grow, you may achieve the World Team level, which is a tremendous milestone that demonstrates your leadership ability as well as your success at both building and retaining a robust team of distributors. Now, as a World Team member, you also qualify for special recognition and trainings that teach you additional methods of developing your downline distributors and supervisors, as well as additional methods of growing your royalty overrides, which are based on 1 to 5% of the monthly volume of your first 3 levels of active downline supervisors. And if you continue to grow your royalty overrides, you can reach even higher levels. If you qualify to become a member of the Top Achievers Business Team or TAB team level, you may qualify for an additional income opportunity, production bonuses. It's simple. The more volume your downline sells, the bigger your earnings may be. Can you imagine getting to tell people that you're part of the Millionaire Team? It's such an honor. And as an active Millionaire Team member, it's possible to earn a total of $5,500 or more from royalty overrides and production bonuses alone. And what about being a member of the President's Team? Now, the President's Team is made up of a very elite group of distributors, and they've all worked very hard to reach this level. Those who have reached the President's Team level have been developing their Herbalife business for an average of 7 years or more. Now, as an active President's Team member, you could potentially be earning a total of $13,000 and up every month from royalty overrides and production bonuses.
That's right. And if you can dream it and work hard, you can achieve it. It's all up to you. The more active you and your downline supervisors are, the quicker you can move up the marketing plan and begin earning royalty overrides, production bonuses, a Mark Hughes bonus, and any of Herbalife's fabulous promotions. At the President's Team level, you could potentially be earning up to a 7% production bonus on your entire downline sales volume. It really is incredible. And you know, the company provides a lot of support to help Herbalife independent distributors succeed, which is why the company has created this series of videos that explain different aspects of the marketing plan as you move up. It's a lot of information, so we've organized it into chapters. Just refer to a specific chapter whenever you need it. These chapters cover the fundamentals of retailing and recruiting and how you can qualify as a supervisor and the upper levels of the marketing plan. This series also covers the importance of requalification, production bonuses, royalty overrides, and so much more.
That's right. So, as you watch these videos, remember there is no limit to what you can achieve with Herbalife. The company and your upline will support you at every step. You have the potential to succeed, so go for it.